So let's have a look at what Bitcoin did yesterday. It did its statement candle, and I suggested this yesterday on the podcast that we needed to see it. 7.7% up on Bitcoin. That's a $2,285 move to the upside. Very, very good indeed. And whilst it's only one big candle, it certainly is a significant one. I'll tell you why. We managed to hold and hold and hold and hold along this level. We broke it a couple of times, but we've held again. Now, does this mean that we're going to see all-time highs? Oh, don't get ahead of yourself there, Barry. This is just a positive move. It's one singular day. What I would like to see is some cyclicity to come in on Bitcoin. If this continues to slowly grind lower into the cradle zone and we get a little bullish candle down in here, that will be something that I would be more than happy to trade if I get the right circumstances. Of course, the right circumstances are met by following a very simple crypto cradle checklist. Not hard to do at all. So that's what I'm waiting for on Bitcoin.